Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw in Google Slide. So if you want to draw in Google Slide, here you can get it done. So the first thing you have to do is go to Insert, then from Insert tap on Line. So from Line then you scroll down, tap on Scribble, or if you can also access the Scribble option. I just look at the tools bar or menu bar at the up screen. Just look for this option, which is Scribble, or if it is not here, just tap on this drop down button, then see the Scribble option at the last down part of the option. Start right here. You can use the Scribble features to draw anything you want, but this has to be for a creative purpose. So right now you can see the mouse are changed from the arrow button to the plus button, which is that something's about to happen. So just now click on your mouse and it's just time playing around with it, playing around. It's kind of, or just skip around. And that is how to draw a slide. Try to do a full. Thank you.